Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a place for easy English. I am happy to be with you today. Today we talk about your daily routine. Daily routine means what you do every day. This is easy for beginners. We use simple words, we go slow, we practice a lot. Why is this topic good? Because you talk about your day in English class, or with friends, or in a job talk. It helps you speak more. Don't worry, your day is not boring. It is your story. We use easy sentences like, I wake up at 7. Simple is good. Now relax. Take a deep breath. Smile. I am here with you. You are great. Let's start step by step. Step 1. Waking up. First, waking up. This is when you open your eyes in the morning. Say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Or, my alarm rings at 6:30. Practice. I wake up at. Say it again. I wake up at. Good job. Now add, I feel sleepy. Practice. I wake up and I feel. You are doing well. More examples. I get out of bed slowly. I stretch my arms. Stretch means pull your arms long. Practice 3 times. I wake up at 7. I stretch. Perfect. Step 2. Morning hygiene. Next, morning hygiene. Hygiene means clean your body. Say, I brush my teeth. Brush means clean with a toothbrush. Or, I wash my face with water. Practice, I brush my. I wash my. Good. Now, I take a shower. Shower means wash your body with water. Practice, I take a. More, I comb my hair. Comb means fix hair with a comb. Practice twice. I comb my hair. You sound good. Example full, I wake up, then I brush my teeth, then I take a shower. Then means next. Practice the full thing. Great. Step 3. Breakfast time. Now, breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal. Say, I eat breakfast at 8. Or, I drink coffee. Practice, I eat. Examples, I like bread and eggs. I drink tea with milk. Milk is white from cows. Practice, I drink tea with. More foods, I eat fruit like apples. I have cereal. Cereal is food from grains with milk. Practice, I have. Full sentence, for breakfast, I eat bread and drink coffee. For means in this time. Say it 3 times. Wonderful. With family, I eat with my family. Practice, I eat with my. You are learning fast. Step 4. Getting dressed. Next, getting dressed. Dressed means put on clothes. Say, I put on my clothes. Put on means wear. Or, I choose a shirt and pants. Pants are for legs. Practice, I put on my. More, I wear shoes. I tie my laces. Tie means make a knot. Practice, I tie my. Example, I get dressed quickly. Quickly means fast. Say it twice. Good. Pack bag. I pack my bag for work. Pack means put things in. Practice, I pack my. You are doing so well. Step 5, leaving home. Now, leaving home. Leaving means go out. Say, I leave home at 8:30. Or, I walk to the bus. Practice, I leave home at. Commute. I take the bus to work. Commute means travel to work. Practice, I take the. Weather. It is sunny today. Sunny means sun is shining. Practice, it is today. Traffic. There is traffic on the road. Traffic means many cars. Say it. Full, I leave home, I take the bus, there is traffic. Practice 3 times. Amazing. Step 6, arriving at work or school. Next, arriving. Arriving means get there. Say, I arrive at work at 9. Or, I say hello to friends. Hello means hi. Practice, I arrive at. First task, I start my computer. Start means turn on. Practice, I start my. Greet, I greet my boss. Greet means say hello. Say it twice. Good job. Step 8, morning work. Now, morning work. Say, I work on emails. Emails are messages on computer. Or, I have a meeting. Meeting is talk with people. Practice, I have a. More, I write reports. Reports are papers with info. Practice, I write. Focus, I focus on my tasks. Focus means pay attention. Say it 3 times. You are great. Step 8, break time. Break means rest. Say, I take a break at 11. Or, I drink water. Practice, I take a. Chat. I chat with friends. Chat means talk. Practice, I chat with. Relax. I relax for 10 minutes. Relax means rest. Say it. Good. Step 9, lunchtime. Lunch is midday meal. Say, I eat lunch at 12. Or, I have rice and vegetables. Vegetables are like carrots. Practice, I have. Where? I eat in the cafeteria. Cafeteria is food place at work. Practice, I eat in the. With who? I eat with colleagues. Colleagues are work friends. Say it twice. Full, for lunch, I have rice. I eat with friends. Practice. Wonderful. Step 10, afternoon tasks. Afternoon is after lunch. Say, I continue my work. Continue means keep going. Or, I call clients. Clients are people you work for. Practice, I call. Creative, I think of new ideas. Ideas are thoughts. Practice, I think of. Emails again. I answer more emails. Answer means reply. Say it 3 times. You are doing so good. Step 11, end of workday. End means stop. Say, I finish work at 5. Or, I feel tired. Tired means need rest. Practice, I finish at. Commute home. I take the bus home. Practice, I take the bus home. Feeling. I feel happy it's over. Over means done. Say it. Great. Step 12. Arriving home. Home time. Say, I arrive home at 6. Or, I take off my shoes. Take off means remove. Practice, I take off my. Change. I change clothes. Change means put on new. Practice,